simplifying expressions. I'm asked to simplify the expression 3x plus 5 times x minus 2, in parentheses, plus 11. So we've been talking about like terms, we've been talking about adding and subtracting like terms and the distributive property. Now we're starting to combine a lot of these ideas together into one big expression and think about how we can use algebra to simplify things down. Put what's together, make things simpler. All right. If you're asked to simplify an expression, usually there's two things you got to do. You got to distribute to remove parentheses. So I don't want any parentheses. I don't want any grouping symbols. I want to open things up to be able to combine like terms. So we're going to remove the parentheses in this problem first. Once that's done, then we want to collect like terms. That just means add or subtract the things you can add or subtract together. Collect like terms. All right, here we go. Let's do this problem. So I'm going to rewrite it here. We've got 3 times x plus 5 times x minus 2, and I'm adding to that 11. Well, the first thing we want to do is remove the parentheses. I want to be able to access this x minus 2. I don't want it to be separated out. So we're going to multiply individually using the distributive property times 5. So that gives me 5 times x, and then minus 5 times 2, which is 10. I still have my 3x term out in front here being added to it, and I have my 11. So there, everything's wide open. We removed parentheses, check, that's done. All right, now let's look to collect like terms. What can I add together, what can I add? Can't add together. Well, like terms have the same variables, so 3x and 5x both have one variable factor of x, and I can combine those together to make 8x. Similarly, negative 10 and 11, those are just constant terms. I can combine those. Negative 10 plus 11 is going to add together to make plus 1. And there we go. This whole expression is equivalent to 8x plus 1 once we simplified it down. We moved parentheses and then we collected like terms.